Hey guys, it's Steve at Appalachian Ballistics. Like everybody else, I've been pretty excited about this FRT trigger system. Man, those things are they're absolutely legal now, right? They're fun to shoot. Wow, it's amazing that everything's worked out as good as it has. So that prompted me. I wanted to make some videos on my channel showing the FRT system, how neat it is, issues that you can have with it, how do you work past those issues, and just make some cool videos maybe people like to watch. But that made me want to go and look at the ATF's website. What is the ATF saying about these triggers? I want something that I can point to and say, this is what the ATF, the federal government, is saying about the legality of this trigger system. So on June the 5th, 2025, about 2.5 weeks ago, went to the website, ATF's website. I'm gonna put this up for everybody to see who wants to see it. And the second paragraph down discusses the legalities, the way the ATF sees it. And here we go. I'm gonna read this to you. Now this is a short paragraph. This is what the ATF said 2.5 weeks ago. Notice that was past tense. On July 23rd, 2024, the United States District Court of the Northern District of Texas held in National Association for Gun Rights et al. V. Garland that rare breed FRT 15s and wide open triggers, WOTSs, are not machine guns under the NFA, and as such, their possession is not in violation of federal law. This posting provides notification of this judicial decision. And I literally was like, holy shit. I cannot believe a federal government agency said something as crystal clear as that. FRTs and wide open triggers are not machine guns under the NFA, and as such, their possession is not in violation of federal law. This posting provides notification of this judicial decision. So I wanted to go back, that was 2.5 weeks ago. I was so happy with that way the ATF worded that. Holy crap, that's awesome. So I want to go back in my future videos on YouTube, mainly for YouTube. I was going to put, if I have an FRT involved with a video, I was going to put a link to this. For federal laws and legality, click here. It takes you straight to ATF's website, and they could read it. This is mainly for YouTube policy concerns. Well, so I did that last night. I went to ATF's website. I had it bookmarked, went straight to it, same place, same address. And surprise, surprise, ATF, oh, you little bastards. They completely deleted that whole paragraph, and they put another paragraph in. Now, you just heard what I said originally 2.5 weeks ago, how clear it was. Not machine guns, their possession is not, against federal law. Let me read you their updated, same page. And here we go. As part of the settlement agreement, the United States has agreed not to enforce 18 U.S.C. Section 922C, that's transfer possession machine gun, and the requirements of the National Firearm Act, Gun Control Act of 1968, as amended by the Hughes Amendment to the 1986 Firearms Protection Act, and any similar statute or agency interpretation of 26 U.S.C. Section 5845B machine gun, under which an eligible FRT is contended to be a machine gun or otherwise unlawful against any person or organization for possessing or transferring an eligible FRT. Okay, what? Well, if I'm reading this right, the United States has agreed not to enforce Section 9222, which is possession of machine gun. They agreed not to enforce it. So are they saying that, well, they're machine guns again, they're just not going to enforce it? That's scary, because tomorrow or Monday they may decide to enforce it, right? Guys, tell me what you think. Drop a comment below. Probably a lot smarter than I am. What the hell does that mean? Let me know.